Hello there. So you don't know how you can simply go ahead and delete your Facebook account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So to delete your Facebook account, navigate to your settings and privacy by tapping on the bottom right menu of your screen and then clicking on the gear icon. And now this is exactly what the settings and privacy is. Now all you need to do is simply tap on account center right over here. And now once you've done that, simply go ahead and select your Facebook profile right over here for the account that you want to go ahead and delete. And now what you can do is simply head into personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and then select the Facebook. And there you go. You can simply select delete account, click on continue, enter your password, and your account will be deleted. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.